Namaste and welcome to Global Wealth Insights, your gateway to understanding the pulse of global finance. What if I told you that the Indian stock market has witnessed multiple doomsdays? From scams to global meltdowns, let's take a deep dive into the biggest crashes that wiped out billions of dollars overnight. Every morning, as Mumbai wakes, the Bombay Stock Exchange comes alive. Not just with numbers, but with dreams. Dreams of traders, analysts, and millions of Indians betting on tomorrow. This is Dalal Street, where 400 lakh rupees crore of wealth changes hands, and fortunes are forged in the fire of the world's seventh largest stock market. The stock market, a rollercoaster of wealth and ruin. For over 150 years, India's markets have witnessed terrifying crashes, some forgotten, some infamous. Today, we reveal the shocking stories behind these financial disasters. Strap in, this is a journey through chaos, greed, and survival. Long before the Bombay Stock Exchange existed, India faced its first crash in 1865. The US Civil War spiked demand for Indian cotton, sending prices soaring. Traders piled into stocks until the war ended. Overnight, demand vanished, fortunes evaporated. This collapse paved the way for Asia's first stock exchange in 1875. 1982 was not a crash, but a financial war. A shadowy bear cartel short-sold 11 lakh Reliance shares, aiming to tank the price. A bear cartel tried to destroy Reliance Industries, but they underestimated one man. Dhirubhai Ambani, man of 20th century, struck back. He rallied allies to buy relentlessly, trapping the bears. When settlement day came, the cartel had no shares to deliver. Markets shut for 3 days, a legendary victory for Ambani and small investors. 1992 saw one of the biggest financial frauds in history. Harshad Mehta, the big bull of Dalal Street, manipulated stocks using bank funds. The bubble burst, wiping out 50% of Sensex value, causing a 2-year bear market. The big bull's betrayal, Rs 1000 crore scam. Sensex crashes 50%. Harshad Mehta, the big bull, manipulated stocks like ACC, driving prices from 200 rupees to 9000 rupees. But his empire was built on fraud by deliberately siphoning bank funds. The world came crashing down in 2008. Black Monday in India saw Sensex lose 1408 points in a day. Global fears, US recession worries, and massive foreign withdrawals led to historic losses. Fear of US recession, fee sell-offs, and derivative scares wiped out 50 lakh rupees crore in wealth. Recovery took 2 grueling years. COVID-19 was a modern nightmare. As lockdowns began, the Sensex crashed 14,000 points in a week. Yes Bank's collapse added fuel to the fire. Investors watched lifelong savings vanish in days.
साथियों, पिछले 2 दिनों से देश के अनेक भागों में लॉकडाउन कर दिया गया है.
2020 changed everything. As COVID-19 spread, markets went into freefall. Fear, uncertainty, and lockdowns erased billions in just days. The Indian stock market has witnessed some of the biggest crashes in history, from the 1865 cotton collapse to the Harshad Mehta scam, the 2008 global meltdown, and the COVID-19 crisis. But like every crash, recovery followed. Again Lakshmi Puja of Indian Stock Exchange flourished. Now, a new era dawns. By 2025, India's stock market won't just recover, it'll redefine growth. A $5 trillion economy. Green energy giants, AI-driven startups, agriculture booms, retail investors, traders, armed with tech, shaping the future. This isn't a dream, it's a roadmap. Thank you for watching our journey through market turbulence. This episode is brought to you by the Global Wealth Informative team. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, stay informed and stay ahead. This is Deep, your host, signing off.